Hi folks, this is In the Kitchen with Bert and Linda, and here's Linda. Come on over, babe.
Good morning.
This is my beautiful wife, Linda, and we are here and we're going to make some manwich for our pinto beans. And we cooked our pinto beans yesterday, so we one step ahead, and we're going to then take the manwich, cook it, and then we can combine the pinto beans with the manwich sauce, and we'll have chili beans. Okay? So anyway, let's back up a second and explain. We've got onions already chopped up. We've got the sloppy Joe sauce. We've got a pound of hamburger meat, and we've got some olive oil to go in. And this is all the ingredients that we really have to prep or prepare for the manwich. So first off, we got to turn on our little oven, little eye here, and I'm going to let Linda come over and fix this because she's the expert at this contraption, if you will, whatever you want to call it. You may hear a little bit of noise, but that's just the fan running on this. And hey, it works. And we got a cast iron pan we're using. We really like and enjoy using cast iron. It seems to be something that we have started using for the last 3 or 4 years. And also, believe it or not, it even puts iron in your body. So, our cat is already awake and she's talking, so if you guys hear a noise in the backdrop, it's our little kitty cat talking. But first we're going to put just a splash of olive oil in the pan, right? I have to get directions from my director over here. What about a teaspoon? 2 teaspoons?
Like this.
Anyway, just enough to basically cover the bottom of the pan good, and then just spread it around in the bottom of the pan first. And once we do that, then we're going to get our onions and get the onions sauteing. Thank you, dear. She hands me the onions with such perfection. Then we're scraping the onions off. She's the cook, I'm just the one that's doing what she tells me to do. And you can hear the onions sizzling as they're starting to saute already. And we're just going to blend them around. And I don't know if you guys, I wish we had smell-o-vision, because when these onions are sauteing, they smell so good. Maybe some people do not like the smell of onions cooking, but we sure do. They're so aromatic. So, what y'all been doing today? It is still some snow on the ground here, but it's finally melting. And it's going to get warmer, so it should be melted, hopefully, maybe by the weekend. Anyway, you can actually see some brown places of ground around. Not green this time of year because it's still winter, but brown spots. Linda, can you think of anything you want to tell the folks here? Come over here and look in the camera.
Look at the camera. Hello. We're just having a good time doing these videos, and I hope you'll come and join our family. If you will, while this is cooking, how about subscribing, share, and like, and thumb us up? You'll see me do that a lot. So, but all in all, everything's running good. It's going to be good. This is football weekend, too. So we're going to have more recipes this week, getting ready for Super Bowl. Back to you.
And I just decided to wear my shirt today, which says faith over fear. And you know, if people would just take this to heart these days, because all in all, as the Bible tells you so many times throughout the book of the Bible, it says faith over fear. Have no fear is what God tells us constantly. So if we learn to fear not and just trust God and trust His Word, oh my, how life would be so much simpler and so much easier for so many folks. We seem to forget that we do have a Creator and He loves us dearly. And you know what? It ain't about us, folks. It's all about serving Him and pleasing Him.
So Bart, what else are we going to have besides chili beans? Are we going to have cornbread to go with this?
Well, I think Ma says she wants some cornbread, so I guess she'll cook the cornbread later.
Well, we've got a video, several videos back showing making cornbread. So check that video out.
So what I'm doing here is just basically flipping the burger to get it cooking on all sides as we go along. And as Linda says, I'm a messy cook, so I got some onions on the side there. They tried to escape. I think I got them mostly back in the pan.
We need to put the heat back up. We need to put it back up.
I don't know. I don't know where you had it.
I had it on high. I took it to medium. You kind of play around with your heat, but you do want your meat done before you add it to the beans.
We're trying to make sure this hamburger meat, you really want it
Done.
You want it browned and done, because we don't want any raw hamburger meat in the manwich sauce. You really want the meat cooked. You don't want it medium rare. You really want it cooked well.
This is what he's talking about, the manwich sauce, is sloppy Joe.
That's the manwich sauce that
Yeah.
we're going to add into this to make the complete mixture for the manwich. This is just a sloppy Joe sauce. You can get the sloppy Joe sauce from anywhere. I think this is actually a Walmart brand, but you can get it from Food Lion or wherever you shop. All you need is a sloppy Joe sauce.
Now this is a recipe that we created for us, our taste. So now just brought up, here's the pot of pinto beans that we cooked yesterday. And this is what the manwich or the sloppy Joe mix is going into to make our chili beans.
So the pinto beans, Linda, how long did you cook them? And
I cooked them on like 2.5, very low. It was low and slow. And they took about 3 hours. They took about 3 hours, but I wanted them to cook slow. It was messy yesterday, and so it's like, why not? Besides, they will actually end up being a more tender bean, and they're very good.
now, can you see the pintos?
Let me turn it up. Okay, there's the pintos.
Now, these cooked pintos, she cooks them with onions, mixed in with the pinto beans, and we cooked them for, I don't know, 2 or 3 hours?
About 3 hours.
3 hours total.
But we were home yesterday, so I just let them to put them on slow.
And like she says, she cooks them like low and slow. But pinto beans are good just by themselves. We love them like that. Now she likes to have hers with grilled onions or pickle relish in hers.
Ketchup.
I like mine just with raw onions on mine, but I love onions, but she likes hers mainly cooked.
Yeah. And he does a lot of ketchup in his. And then you need cornbread to go with it.
And folks, this is really a recipe that, you know, you can come in from work or whatever, and you cook this manwich sauce and all. It doesn't take but I don't know, what, 15, 20 minutes and it's done.
Not long.
Not long at all. And like if you already got, say, pinto beans, you could put them on the side, or you could mix it, whichever. We just like to mix ours. All right, this is done enough, I think.
Yeah, because it's going to send this pinto beans.
So I'm just going to pour the.
This is our lunch.
I'm pouring the sloppy dough mixture in with the hamburger and the onions. And then we're going to just simply try to blend this in. And as we blend this in, we're done with the manlet sauce.
So give us some comments about what you think, and are there any recipes you'd like to have? Do you have some recipes that you'd like to have to see on the video? So Bert, how you like cooking?
Well, you know, it's a lot easier just to eat than it is to cook, but this gives her a break, so I don't mind trying.
Guess what? He actually does dishes too. He cleans up behind himself.
Well, sometimes I do the dishes, and sometimes she jumps in there and gets them before I get to them. So anyway, now we're just going to let this stuff simmer a little bit. I think it's blended enough, don't you?
Yeah, it looks good. It just needs to cook down a little bit.
And this stuff is even bubbling, so it's definitely cooking away. I'm gonna put I'm cheater half glasses here so I can see what I'm doing. That's enough right there, 275.
So Bert, what else you gonna cook this week?
I really don't know what we're going to cook, but we'll figure out something. So stay tuned. And just remember to like and subscribe and thumbs up our channel. Please subscribe to our channel and join us for more recipes and more fun, more adventures for In the Kitchen with Bert and Linda.
And a lot of people think that by subscribing it's costing something. It's not costing a penny. Everything's free. So that's the best thing you can find. You can't go anywhere else and find free.
And you get to see this beautiful lady in the process. Anyway, you guys, we're gonna mix this together, I guess.
Oh wow, I can get a facial while I'm standing here.
She's getting a facial free. Anyway, you guys just enjoy your day.
Don't stop yet.
Okay.
Hey,
I hope you enjoy.
He's trying to quit on you. You got to combine it, and then we're going to taste it, my man.
I just hope you're enjoying your day today. How's that? Because we're having fun. We always do.
Oh goodness gracious. Okay, you going to put
I'm going to just mix this in with the beans. And Linda's getting something to scrape this down with. Whoa, my hand.
The pot.
I got to pick it up. This is why she wanted me to do it, because, guys, this cast iron pan, believe it or not, it's heavy.
Okay.
Look.
That's good. Go ahead. Take it down.
I'll take it to the kitchen. Oh. I'll put it on the stove.
Okay. So let me see if you can see. Hold on.
All right, I'm back. I just had to get the cast iron pan. I put it on the other stove because it's hot. It's very, very hot. It needs to cool off, and then we'll clean it.
Let me see if I can put it. There you go.
But you see
Look at that.
This is our chili beans all combined. And wow, that looks good, doesn't it? That looks almost ready to eat, and I think we will.
Back up there. No, put this on there.
Okay.
There you go. Now we got a better view. You know what? Sometimes also, because I have a lot of acid reflux, sometimes I'll sprinkle a little bit of Splendor in there just to kind of break the the acid of the tomatoes and all. Would you like some
I
of
mean,
that?
some people can just put sugar in it, but Linda likes to add just a little bit of Splenda. But since I'm diabetic, we use Splenda rather than just the sugar. You can use like a teaspoon of sugar, but she's going to add just a little bit of Splenda in it, maybe a teaspoon or so.
Tell me when.
You're doing it. I'm waiting.
That's good.
All you need is just a touch of the sweetener to help to. All she's doing is trying to take away the acidity of that sloppy Joe sauce, because as she said, she has a lot of acid reflux issues, and that helps to temper down the acidity in that sauce.
I'm gonna swipe some. Look
Now
at that,
she's going
guys.
to dip out.
Let me take. Look at that. Doesn't that look good?
She's going to dip out some of our manwich with our chili bean. Well, a chili bean, that's chili beans now.
Now I tell you, some people put cheese on top of it and even sour cream. I like sour cream. He likes cheese.
And you can sprinkle cheese on it. You can also add just a little bit of tomato ketchup if you like. You can put a little pickle relish on it. If you like raw onions, you can put a few raw onions on top of this. Even though, as you saw, we cooked and sauteed and had the onions in it to begin with as a base. But anyway,
we're going to try.
now we're going to have a little bit of a taste test. It's hot.
It is very hot.
So I'll watch Linda burn her tongue. Now I'm going to have a taste.
Wow, that's good. What do you think?
That's very good.
You did a good
It's
job.
very tasty. And for a really cold day outside, this is delicious. And this is what we're going to have when we do eat lunch. It's just 10:30 now. But it'll be ready when we get ready to eat lunch. Now, is there anything else you'd like to tell about?
No, that's it. Just watch out for more videos. We're going to be putting out a lot of videos this week. So this is number 1 for this. Well, actually, this is the 4th one, I think, for this week.
And just remember, guys, always it's faith over fear. And have no fear because God is watching. He loves all of us. And we love you. Y'all have a wonderful, beautiful day. Enjoy it. And we'll catch you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye for now. Love y'all.